Azure Standard January 2026 haul. We've got a very produce heavy order here. I'm super excited. Our poor driver, Rob, he got delayed 2 times. His truck broke down. Then he had to offload everything into the rental truck. And then that broke down. So Rob, thank you for persevering and getting all of our goodies to us today on this Sunday night at 8 o'clock. The unload of the truck went so fast thanks to Jerry and a few of our drop members that showed up even though the time kept changing. It's very rare that this happens, and we're grateful that our driver Rob just kept on keeping on until he got all this fresh stuff to me, and some new items I'm trying this week I want to show you. But first things first, it's grapefruit season. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I got a whole case of organic grapefruit, and then over here to go along with my craveable cabbage recipe is an entire case of beautiful green fresh cabbage, and then I got 2 red ones to make some sauerkraut, some pink kraut. Oh, I can't wait. And I have 2 kale varieties. I have 1 kale variety. I thought they wrapped them kind of differently. These are, curly kale. I thought I got lacinato kale, but I guess I just got all curly kale. We have cilantro, some jalapenos, because I wanted fresh ones to make some cordito with my cabbage. And I have carrots coming out of my garden, and onions. Oh no, these aren't onions. These are turnips, organic turnips. I'm going to add these to my salad for plant fiber diversity. Yes, I like these raw, sliced and chilled in salted water. And we've got garlic because I'm too lazy to go out and dig up my own, or at least I was last summer. But they're growing shoots because we've had such a warm winter here. We're in Dameron Valley, just north of St. George, Utah, 25 minutes. And oh my gosh, our winter has been mild, but it was whipping out there, the wind and chilly tonight. We have sweet potatoes for my sweet potato Jerry. He loves sweet potatoes, and I think I'm going to throw these in my Instant Pot for 10 minutes, and then cut them in half after they cook, and then throw them in my oven, cut side down to caramelize a little bit. And I have some chili in my Instant Pot. I'll put the chili on top of the sweet potatoes for my sweet potato Jerry. He loves the savory spicy with the sweet of the potato. He also loves it on plant-based instant mac and cheese too. Chili on top of mac and cheese. Oh, couldn't be better. And then here's some red beets. I like these. Julienne into my salads, so does Jerry, or thrown into our hummus to make the most beautiful Valentine's hummus, or any day of the week. Bright pink hummus is great. Oh, here's the lacinato kale, and oh, it looks beautiful. I just show it to you. This looks even better than the curly kale. Yeah, we're drinking kale? No, we're not drinking it. We're eating a lot of kale around here. I use that dry steamed method, or Asian style kale, or I drop it into my kale and dumpling soup. This is so beautiful this time of year. And I'm still working on my greenhouse plans because I should be growing my own kale year round. I think I'm going to start some inside in my guest room. Now that all the guests are gone, holidays are over, I can do what I want in that room. I have 50 pounds of gold potatoes here, organic gold potatoes. What a dream come true. This is my starch energy this month, that's for sure. Anyway, I am working on a recipe for Greek house potatoes. You know, the ones that use lemon and no oil on a protective diet. Oh, they're gonna be lemony and crisped up and delicious. What else do I have? What else? Oh, I have a case of these organic green olives. These are the real deal. These are fermented olives. No additives in these for my, you know, the recipe for viral martini pasta, dirty martini pasta. Well, I took the oil out, the butter out, and I made it protective diet style in the Instant Pot. It's delicious. So we needed to replenish our olives. And then I'm trying out their facial tissue, you know, Kleenex. Got 3 boxes of that for our runny noses when we go out on our cold dog walks. And I'm trying Azure's brand of Castile soap this month for the first time. I got the unscented aloe for Jerry and the lavender aloe for me. And I will be making this into my organic clay facial cleanser. And I also wash my body with this and dishes and everything. So we'll try that out, see how wonderful it is. I've heard great things about it, but I've never had it in my own workplace for wellness. And is that everybody? Is that everything? I think that's everything. I always miss one little thing and then I go, oh, I forgot that. No, that's everything. Garlic. Oh, yes. I thought I had onions, but they were turnips. Okay. I hope this gives you some new ideas of things to put in your Azure Standard cart. If you use our link, protectivediet.com/Azure, AZURE, they give us a little bonus. They give us a credit to use towards our shopping. It's wonderful, and we want to help you get started savings on organics and grains. All my grains along that wall, my beans, all my organic pantry staples. Thank you, Azure. I don't know what I'd do without you in the wintertime until I get that greenhouse built. I need ya. Take care, and best of all.